Hi there, welcome back to JD Wire. Today I will review the GKU D1000 front and rear and cabin dash cam. But stay tuned to the end where I'll be showing you all the different resolutions this dash cam has to offer. The GKU Dash Cam features a 4K resolution while the rear and cabin offers a 1080p resolution. You could also set it to 2.5 resolution for the front and 1080p for the rear and cabin cameras. Now, if you don't want to use the rear camera, you could also change the resolution for the cabin camera to 2.5 and 4K for the front dash cam. The D1000 Dash Cam equipped with the WR technology which automatically balances the light and dark to provide a much clearer image, especially when focusing on capturing license plates. The cabin camera features an f1.8 aperture and a 6-layer lens enhanced with 4 infrared lights to deliver clear, high-quality footage day or night. The 4 infrared lights will capture a clear image inside the cabin. The Dashcam system offers flexible viewing angles. The front and cabin cameras are equipped with detachable magnet mounts and compact ball joints for simple adjustments. The rear camera boosts a full 360 rotation, while the cabin camera can rotate 270 degrees, providing comprehensive coverage behind the vehicle or inside the cabin. If you need to install your Dashcam in a unique position, you could adjust the image using the vertical flip or mirror flip feature. You can use the vertical flip feature to rotate the video screen up and down 180 degrees. Now here's an example of that. Okay, so this is how the image looks right now for the rear camera. So I'm going to go to settings, rear image settings. For vertical flip, it's going to flip it 180 degrees. So we're going to select it, we're going to hit OK. We're going to get back out. And now you can see the image is flipped 180 degrees. You could also use the mirror flip feature. The screen of the rear camera is displayed in a mirror view. Here's an example. Now for horizontal flip, you see the truck on the right side. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our settings, go to rear image settings. We're going to go down. We're going to select flip horizontal. And what it's going to do is going to mirror the image. We're going to hit OK. Going to get out. And now the truck is on the left side. And you know what? That is actually the correct way to put it. So this is actually correct. This is what we want. Offering complete surveillance, the GKU D1000 triple dash cam boosts 170 degrees front view coupled with 150 degrees views for both the cabin and the rear coverage. This makes it the best choice for everyday motorists, rideshare drivers such as Uber, Lyft, and taxis, as well as family road trips, ensuring all the significant events are captured from every angle. The D1000 camera provides a 3-inch display for viewing front and rear cabin recordings. It also allows for settings adjustments, video playback. The Dashcam includes a 64GB micro SD card. For extended recording and storage, it supports SD cards up to a massive 512GB. The Dashcam camera has an integrated GPS function which logs speeds and driving routes, including latitude and longitude. This essential data is embedded directly into the video recording, allowing you to review the GPS logs or through the app. The GKU D1000 is equipped with advanced 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, delivering faster data transfer speeds than traditional 2.4 GHz connections. This improvement ensures smooth video playback, quick downloads, and easy sharing via the GKU app. The GKU D1000 Dash Cams includes a G sensor. This sensor is designed to activate upon detection of sudden impacts, shakes, or jolts. Even events such as hitting potholes, driving over speed bumps, or engaging in hard braking while triggering the impact sensor. When activated, the camera instantly locks the current recording. This prevents the loop recording feature from overriding the file. As a result, the footage is recorded and is accessible when needed. The car camera system records both front and rear views, ensuring comprehensive coverage and all-around monitoring. You can set the G sensor setting to off, low, middle, or high. Make sure to format your SD card at least once a month, because the only way to delete impact files is by formatting your SD card. To ensure uninterrupted operation, the system features loop recording. This function smartly manages memory space by automatically replacing the oldest recording once the card reaches its storage capacity. You can set this to 1 minute, 3 minute, or 5 minute loop recordings. For those moments when you witness an accident, such as a car accident, simply activate emergency recording feature by touching the lock icon. Doing so will lock the video file, preventing it from being overwritten and preserved as its evidence. This allows you to share the footage with drivers involved in the accident. Now, if this video has been helpful, please like this video because it really helps the channel grow, and don't forget to subscribe. The GKU Dash Cam offers a 24-hour parking mode. A GKU Hardwire kit is required to use a parking mode feature. This option will not be available unless you have the GKU Hardwire kit installed, and I'll put a link in the description for purchasing the Hardwire kit. I will also include a link in the description for a step-by-step installation video on how to install a Hardwire kit into your vehicle. Now let me explain what a Hardwire kit does. To prevent your car battery drain, the Hardwire kit's low voltage protection automatically shuts off the dash cam when the battery voltage falls below a set level. This ensures the vehicle can start normally. The GKU offers a 12-hour or 24-hour time-lapse recording mode. This feature maintains continuous recording even when the engine is off by utilizing low power consumption. The camera captures 1, 2, or 5 frames per second. Time-lapse parking mode offers continuous surveillance, providing condensed overview of events during an extended parking period. Your videos will play back at a faster rate. However, you're still able to capture details in case of an incident. This feature enables the dash cam to save drive space on your SD card. In parking mode, if the G sensor detects a collision, the dash cam will automatically trigger and record an emergency video. The GKU Dash Cam includes a fatigue reminder feature, prompting brakes after 1, 2, or 3 hours of driving. This feature is great for long-distance drivers, ride shares, road trips, or night shift workers. Now let me show you some additional driving footage of the different resolutions. Okay, so what did you think? Is this the right dash cam for you? If it is, I'll put links in the description down below. If this video has been helpful for you, please like this video because it really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and select all notifications for all upcoming videos because I got more videos of this dash cam and tech gadgets as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.